What's up, Stack Family? Told you we was coming back with another. We got Larry the Legend Bird, greatest passer of all time, re-edit with new footage. This is a live reaction. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that sub button, and comment below. That get it. You know, what a pass. Get it started already. Started already, Bird. On his head. Parrish on his head. Hustle buckets. Some hustle buckets. What a pass. Parrish and Bird was pass Bird. Ooh, behind the back. Oh, nobody doing it like Bird. What a pass. Turn around. Mikal. Ooh. Boy, Bird know where everybody was at on the court at all times. Pass Bird. Oh, goodness. Damn, I ain't even see that. What a ball fake. Really? What the f... Well, Bird do it all. Bird do it all.
Bird takes it away from Wilkins. Goes to the floor. Gets it. Gets it up ahead.
Scoring off loose balls. Come on now. Look at this. Still running. That's how you run the floor right there. Pump fake. What a pass. I was expecting him to shoot. What a pass, Bird. But Mikal was there every single time. He stayed in that paint, waiting on that pass. Good D. That's good hustle right there. That's something that don't show up in the stat sheet right there, them hustle points. He done made about 100 passes sitting on the floor in the past 2 minutes. Look at this. What a pass. Good defense. Playing 94 feet deep. Came down, stole the ball, then made a pass. No look pass. Faked them out. Good dish. Mikal, Parrish, and Bird was a big three. From what I'm seeing. What a pass, too. Pump fake. That pump fake was deadly. It's crazy. His hustle points. I was about to say it. He still found it, man, for the pass. But if that would have went in, I'd have turned it off. I promise I'd have turned it off. Ain't Bird going. Bird's gonna eat. Showtime. What? Up and under with the finish with the left. The pass. Oh my. You was in trouble, you let him get in that paint. I promise you would. Look at this. Two defenders on him now. Still find a way to get it in to Mikal. It's crazy. Look at this. As soon as he gets it, it's out of his hands. Step back, pass. Oh my, on his head. Pass Bird. You can tell that's old Bird right there with it. When he had a haircut. Bird with the hair was slummed out. You know he saluted. Got him. Ooh. He broke my guy on a pump fake and then a pass. Oh my. Good dish. Boy got eyes in the back of his head. I gotta see where you at on your all-time assist list too. I gotta see it. Salute my fans told me to watch this too. It's legendary. It's legendary right now. Thank y'all too. No. For the pass. It's live, never seen it. Oh yeah, good dish to Paris down there. He had that down pat. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Ain't nobody faster than the ball. So we can get it. Hot potato with it. It's out of his hands. Pass Bird. Parrish. Ooh. Ball game. On his head. Oh. Goodness. Oh, Burrow, yeah, I'm most definitely taking that behind the back. Behind the back, going to the lane. I'm taking that pass. Legendary. Appreciate you. I was definitely taking out. Put that in my arsenal. Look at this. Good lead pass. Paris always down there somewhere. I swear he always down there. Mikal. Look at this. Paris. It's going to be Paris and Mikal down there. Oh, that Dennis Johnson. Who was number 35 on the Celtics back then? Let me know in the comments below. Lead pass from Bird, the legend. Come on now. That's on the money. Call him Tom Bird, not Brady. Throwing bombs out there. Quarterback. Bird will make you look good no matter who you are. Look at this. Oh my goodness, man. Good catch, Mikal. They were waiting on. They knew you was gonna throw it too. Getting everybody the bucket that they supposed to get. That's legendary. Nobody doing that. Yeah, easy points. Off taking it out. Dawkins blocked that. I see you out there, Daryl. Dawkins. Parrish. left. You know Bird gonna find you, no matter who he is, no matter what your number say, you gonna get found. Good pass. Oh my goodness, he done lost that guy. Kel done lost that guy down there. I love playing with Bird, getting easy points like that. I'll be on the break every time. Look at this. Oh my, we could just do that. Come here, Parrish. Oh. It was 3-5 on the Celtics that day. 3-5 was cold. Lead pass. Lead pass. They can't do nothing with Bird. Bird damn sure did play against Dr. J and them, didn't he? I gotta watch those. Gotta check those out. That's legendary. Gotta be watched. That's must see. Lead pass. Showtime. 3-5 on the Celtics. St. Louis at it. On the back of the jersey. We're definitely gonna find out who that is. They were definitely eating number 35 on the Celtics. The tip pass, Bird. Well, Bird was before his time. But you arrive at the right time, though. You arrive at the right time. Ooh, that's the pass I'm talking about right there. Most definitely will be putting that in my arsenal. Appreciate you, Bird. Yeah, I like passing with the left hand. It's different when you pass with that left hand. The left hand, you get Bird. Oh my. Passing under the man legs, man. Find a way. Look at this. And there was no travel. Way to maintain. If somebody would have made that pass now, it would have took about 4-5 steps at the end. They couldn't do nothing with the legend out there, man. Get the legend. As soon as he get it, it's gone. And can't hit what I can't see. The pass, Bird. Together. That pump fake we did. Come here, Zeke. Parrish. Ainge. Danny. Shot the Ainge. Look at this, man. As soon as he get it. As soon as he get it, it's gone. Look at him. Bye. The guy was cold. I'm taking that one too. I'm taking that. They don't do that no more. I have not seen that yet. They don't do that no more. That little quick pass that Bird be doing, they don't do that no more. They the only one I've ever seen do it. But they don't do that no more in this generation. I know I will be taking that. Add that to the arsenal, that pass and that other pass. The rebound, follow the shot. Look at this. Thought thought he was about to pull up. He done swung it around, swinging it with the left. That was a clean left hand layup. He gonna make the pass. He just like sharing the ball, man. Ain't nothing like them players. Ain't nothing like them players. Do this. I'd have had 40, 50 playing with Bird. Just by him passing me the ball. Easy 40, 50. Yo, legendary. The legend. Salute. Make sure y'all let me know what videos to do again in the comment below. Salute. Thank y'all, Stat Family, for watching the full video. We'll be back with another video after this video. Make sure y'all stay prayed up. Y'all be safe. Y'all